Here at Fraser Robb's, we are selling a lot of battery powered equipment, and an excellent product that we have is this BGA 250 powerful blower from Stihl. We have a demo kit available for our batteries. So when we do a demonstration, we have batteries and chargers all available to go out with the kit. So we put all our batteries out on the AP500 range. So this battery, this is the AP500, which is the biggest battery on the AP range. It has 4 lights on it that tells you when it's working. So it'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it requires to be charged again. And this AP battery fits into the BGA 250. Simple, like that. An excellent handheld blower that you can get here at Fraser C Robb's.